Hi, I'm Scott Reel, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'd like to talk to you about tree and shrub maintenance. Hi, one of the most important things you can do in taking care and maintaining your gardens and property is edging. Why is edging important? Well, if you've got a lawn, and most Americans do, the first thing your lawn wants to do is climb into your garden beds. Edging is the way that we keep that from happening. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do it. There's the good old-fashioned way, a bed edger. Now, this is the least expensive way to do it, but it's also the most time and labor that you're going to have to put into it. Basically, we go along the edge of our lawn, and we step, and we stomp, and we cut an edge all the way around, and then we dig out the turf. That's a lot of work, a lot more work than I'm willing to put into it. I like to do edging a one-time thing, and we're done with it. So let's go to our next method. This is one that you see people use in a lot of their yards. One that's still in my yard just because it's keeping this walkway that the previous owner put in. This is plastic edging, and I don't much like plastic edging for a couple of reasons. Some of them you can see here. Plastic edging is low down to the ground. Now, it's just up enough where so you can put a trimmer blade on the edge, but because it's so low to the ground, it lets the weeds and the grass creep up over the top, seed in, and eventually you're going to end up with that same problem that you wanted to try to avoid, grass in the side of the bed that you don't want. Now, it's a lot more expensive, but my favorite way to edge is stone. Whether it's stones that you find around your property, or in this case, a Belgian block that I've actually gone out and purchased, this is going to give you a structure that's high enough up to catch that blade, tall enough where it doesn't let a lot of the seeds and weeds creep over the top, and most importantly, it gives you a nice, finished, professional look to your garden. It helps hold the mulch into the inside and helps keep the grass coming out from the outside. So, as far as maintaining your beds go, good edging is one of the most important things you can do to save yourself a lot of work. So don't skimp.